Okay, 1st of January, a new year. Let's try and solve some problems, I guess. Product of array except self. Let's do it. If an integer array nums, given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums I. It's going to be 30. You must run an O of n time and without using the division operation. Without using the division op- Oh, come on, that would have been so easy. You must write an algorithm that runs an O of n time without using the division operation. Okay. O of n time. So, how in the heck am I supposed to do this? Let's see. So here, this should just be 24, 12, 8, and 6. What about for another one? Let's just try an example. $20, 40, 20, 48, 20, 20, I think. Okay. $32-bit integer. Okay. Turn X out at the end, and if it's all of one time, then we're gonna have to just loop through it once or maybe twice at most. Could I reverse the array potentially? Will that do anything? Without using the division operation. If I don't use the division operation, then how do I do it? Can you solve the problem in O over 1 space complexity? Well, let's see if I can do it in O of n time complexity then, maybe. probably use a... Honestly, could probably just use a dictionary somewhere, if I'm being honest. Seems like the way to go. But I can only run through it once. So I run it through it once to get everything into the hash map, and then I run it again to get it into the answer array. So for I in len, oh finally it's nums for once. So I have the, so index equals to I so far, and the value equals to nums I. These are the two things that I know right now. Okay, so I could just keep a product of the numbers before and after the current one. So that would be like, okay, sure. So for I, and I'll just keep a running product. Okay, so I'll run it at least with the num 0. So we can do dictionary at the okay, cool. So dictionary I, so that's going to be the index right now. So left dictionary I multiplied by and equal to nums I. No, so for I and len nums like this, and then here we can do num 0. This is still 1, sorry. and then here nums I minus 1, because we don't want to include the current one. Left dictionary I. Left dictionary I has to equal to running product times nums I. Running product times nums I minus 1. Cool. So we do that all the way until the right side, and then we do right dictionary equals to this, reset the running product equals to 1, and then for I in so we don't want to. We want to start at this one here. We do right dictionary I is equal to running product times nums I plus 1, all the way until the last value. This goes all the way up until the 0th index, and then just multiplies every 4. Okay, good. And then for I in range like nums, we can do answer I is equal to left dictionary I times right dictionary I. Huh? Product except self. Oh yeah, that's because the I doesn't exist yet. This. Wait, no, this gives me the right product. Whoops. Can't do this. Wait, I can just make it start from 0 though. If I started from 0, then we can just say that. No, that's undefined. We can just do okay, and then we can. So we do len twice. So we keep len equals to len noms. Replace these two. These 3, and then we can do answer 0 is equal to right dictionary is equal to just the right dictionary 0 on the 0th index. And so length minus 1 is equal to just left dictionary length minus 1. And then we can do, for the rest of them, we can just do for I in range 1 to length minus 1, and so I is equal to left dictionary I times right dictionary I. What? Assignment out of range. Right dictionary. Oh, it's because I've never even. Oh, and that's also wrong because I've never even included the running for. Oops, mistakes were made. I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, and then answer 0 equals the right. It says it's out of range, but how can it be out of range though? What? Let's just do this first, see what happens. Yes, so 0 is getting printed. Why is this not correct? Maybe it's because I can't actually add it like that. Answer dot append. Answer dot append like this, and then over here we can just do answer dot append like that. Maybe this will work. Oh, bugger. What? What happened here? Do you really have to make me print both dictionaries to see what's happening? Okay. The right dictionary is 8 for some reason. The left dictionary is correct. +1. Ah, there we go. Now it will work. Yay! Submit. Fantastic. It's the slowest. Great. But it's over. Look, it works. Guess let's see how we can make it faster then. Looping through the input array twice. Let's see how you can do it. Okay, and oh, it says one space. Okay, so maybe I don't actually need a dictionary at all. I can just store the answer entirely within the array. It's within the answer itself. So we can do for I and for num and nums. So we can just set it to 1 by default. We can do answer dot and running product, and then we can do running product multiplied by equal to num. And then for the next iteration, we'll move on to the next one. It will just append it first. And then it goes all the way up until the last number where it appends the previous before, and then cool. And then we reset running product equal to 1 again, and for how to loop through this in reverse. Is there a way to do... Okay, so for num in reversed nums, we can do a similar thing. No, maybe I need it for I in range len nums -1 we can do answer I multiplied equal by the running product before we can just do running product multiplied equal to nums I, because that will represent the value, and this goes all the way up to 0, and then now I can just directly return answer. Yay! Better solution. Let's go. At least it works better now. Okay. Nah, I've analyzed enough. Okay, cool.